Hello students, welcome to this video. Today again we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 4, that is Introduction to Windows. Now you all know that the main functions of the computer are input, processing and output. Data entered into a computer is known as input. It could be anything like text, pictures or even sounds. When computer works on this input data, it is called processing, and information generated by computer after processing is called output. And to perform these functions, computer needs different parts used for input, processing and output, such as hardware and software. Different parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speakers. These all are parts of computer, but these parts are of no use without software. Means a computer is made up of both hardware and software. What is hardware? All the parts that you can see and touch is called hardware, and instructions needed by computer to do all the work is known as software. So operating system is also a part of system software. What is operating system? The series of program that is used to run a computer is called operating system. When you switch on your computer, the first software that is loaded into your computer is an operating system. Means we can say an operating system is the software that is used to run your computer. Today we will learn Introduction to Windows operating system. Windows is a very popular operating system. It is user-friendly operating system. Why? Because it provides GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. If you want to work with the computer in Windows operating system, you do not need to remember many commands. You can just click with the help of mouse on any tools or program, or you can open its screen. Today, Windows operating system is most widely used operating system. So let's understand the basic terms of Windows operating system. This is all about starting Windows. When you switch on your computer, after some time Windows starts automatically, and you can see the main screen of the window after starting your computer. See, this is the look and feel after starting your Windows operating system. This is the main screen of the window and it is called desktop. Means after you switch on your computer, when you see the main screen on your computer, it is known as desktop. In desktop, you can see many things, such as on the desktop you can see small pictures available on the screen. and these pictures are known as icons. These icons can be different from one computer to another. At the bottom side of the desktop, there is one horizontal bar. So, the bar at the bottom of your desktop is known as taskbar. This horizontal line is known as taskbar. In taskbar also you can see many things. Like left side of the taskbar you can see one round button. It is called start button. When you click on start button, you can see one start menu. List of command is called menu, and when you click on start button, you can see start menu. You can click and open any programs available on your computer with the help of start menu. There is one shutdown button is also available on start menu. If you want to switch off your computer, you can just click on shutdown button and your computer will be switched off. So this is also available on start menu, which you can display by clicking on start button. At the right side of the taskbar, you can see current date and time when you are working. This part also displays the volume control, battery consumption in your laptop, and this part is also known as notification area. At the monitor screen you can see small arrow, and this small arrow on the screen is known as mouse pointer. This is useful when you are working with mouse. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the screen will also move. You can perform different actions using mouse. And for example, when you are clicking left button from your mouse, it is called clicking. Left mouse button is used to select any icons on your computer. When you click any symbol with the help of mouse, that icon or symbol will be highlighted. And if you press and release left mouse button twice, means 2 times on any particular icon or symbol, that program will be opened. So when you press and leave left mouse button twice, it is called double clicking. You can also use right mouse button. Many times we are using right mouse button to refresh our computer. Apart from this mouse pointer is also used to move your icons from one place to another place. This process is known as dragging. What is dragging? If you want to move any symbol or icon from one place to another, first of all you have to left click of your mouse and click particular icon. Without releasing, move the mouse to the next movement, and after that release the mouse. So this action is known as dragging. In short, with the help of mouse and mouse pointer, you can perform different actions. So this is all about the basic description about the Windows operating system. Nowadays, Windows operating systems are most popular operating system. there are different versions available in market. For example, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8, and many more versions are also available. This is most popular because of its GUI content, means graphical user interface. Another examples of operating systems are Ubuntu, Linux, and Unix. These all are also operating systems. In our smartphone also we are using Android operating system. In short, we can say there is no use of hardware without any operating system, and Windows is an popular operating system which is used mostly nowadays. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.